Hey, William, Mr. Y here. I'm sending you a file of three things. Number one is the scale sheet that we use in sixth grade. It's just called Sixth Grade Scales for Trombone or something like that. I think what I'd like you to work on just this week, if you could, is just line number one. Line number one is just the first five notes of the regular B flat scale. I think you probably remember that from fourth grade and fifth grade. The B flat starts out way down low. Trombone, of course, you remember, I'm sure, has seven positions. Okay, first position is the one that's all the way up, so your slide's all the way up, and then we have second and third and fourth and fifth and sixth and seventh. Probably haven't done any notes in seventh yet, but the B flat, of course, is the low air when you're blowing nice and slow for that low B flat, and you're in first position. You get that B flat way down low like that. Okay. For the scale, you probably remember doing B flat and then going way out to C in sixth position. For the second note, C is way out. It's about as far as your arm can reach, probably pretty much. That's usually the way it goes in a sixth grader. So we have B flat in first, and then C in sixth, and then D is in fourth position. Fourth position is usually so that you can see silver on the slide of the trombone all the way out to kind of where the bell of the trombone goes. That's usually about fourth position right there. You do these a lot with your ears, of course. You really listen carefully and go B flat, and then C, and then D should sound just like that. Then remember, E flat is just a little bit up. E flat is in third position, okay, which is that little crossbar that you hold onto on the trombone slide, usually is about even with the bell. That's the trick for that one, okay? So we have B flat, and then C, and then D in fourth, and then E flat in third, and then you come up to F in first position again. So altogether, line number one for the B flat scale, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, C, B, or the slide positions would be first, sixth, fourth, third, first, third, fourth, sixth, first, that kind of thing, okay? I think maybe what we should do is we should work on that one, just line number one on the B flat scale sheet this week. Plus, I think you can also do technique tracks in the EE book, and I sent you a little screen capture of it. It's just the same notes as line number one. It's just a slightly different rhythm. We have B, C, C, D, D, E flat, F, F, E flat, D, C, B, and then you repeat it. There's a repeat sign at the very end. You probably remember those, right? Where you have the two lines and then the two dots right by it. That's the repeat sign. Okay. So for right now, why don't you work on just doing line number one and line number one on the B flat scale page, and also line number one in the EE book. I'm not going to have you do all the ones that we're going to do here in band. We'll kind of catch you up quickly, I think. But if you practice a little bit every day, I really think you do have a good chance of catching up. The key to practicing is to do a little teeny bit every day. So if you can do 5 or 10 or 15 minutes every single day, or most of the days of the week at least, that's really the way to catch up. You don't want to try to do 14 hours right before band. That doesn't work. You know, you got to do it a little bit every day. Just like tying your shoes. If you tie your shoes every day, pretty soon you don't have to worry about tying your shoes. You just do it automatically because you don't have to think about it. That's what we're trying to do on trombone. We're trying to get these movements and the notes so easy that you don't really have to think about it anymore. Okay? Cool. Thanks. See you later.